Don't tax cigarettes, please. Because cigarettes, man, is addicting, and plus, you understand, it's a habit. It can be a habit-forming thing, and you just can't break it. Just that simple.
Exactly.
It's not that simple to break.
Right.
You know, people say just drop the cigarette, and you drop it.
Right.
It's not like that.
Okay, so you think it's fair for them to tax?
I do think it's wrong.
I think it's messed up. They don't know what to tax. They could tax anything, they could do it.
Yeah.
It's messed up. It's not right. It's not right. Don't tax cigarettes.
No, that's not right.
Well, of course, cigarettes would probably cost more, and every time you're taking more money from somebody and giving it to the government, they're not getting a whole lot out of it. They would not be able to maybe afford a hot dog. Maybe they'll come down and just smoke and not eat lunch.
Because they're already too much. They're already taxing us.
That's your freedom. It's called freedom of choice.
That's right. We choose to smoke. That's our choice. Don't tax them anymore. We'll still pay for them and smoke anyway.
You know, so that could affect me.
Don't tax cigarettes anymore.
Higher taxes on anything, I think, affects small business, you know, right at the heart.
That's right. Don't tax cigarettes. It's not right.
It's not right.
This is a one-man operation, as small of a business as you can get, and I need all the advantage I can to succeed, and higher taxes never helps me with that.
Do not add a tax to smokers like me. We don't deserve it. Tax somebody else.
Stop the tax.
Heck no, I think they should take the money away from the government. They're overspending as it is. Why should we get taxed on it, you know?
Just make a monopoly on taxing just people that have vices like cigarette smoking and stuff like that. Don't tax smokers.
Well, I don't think it's fair. I don't like it. Don't tax the cigarette.
No?
You know, I'm a smoker. You can tax me all you want, I'm a smoker.
Yeah.
I'm still gonna smoke.
You're blaming us for something.
I was smoking back when the cigarette price went up. I was smoking, over 40 years, now they're raising up. Then you get a bit more cigarettes in the pack.
I'm 56 and I've been smoking since I was a teenager. Why should we be taxed for it? If that's the case, then they need to start taxing these people that buy these SUVs and big motor homes and fancy automobiles, you know. You buy the plain Jane, you know, to get you back and forth to work, or what you need to go back and forth to work. You don't need a Mercedes to get back and forth to work. You know, a little Toyota would do. They shouldn't be taxing us for it.
What's the fun? At a football game without a cigarette in your mouth.
Yeah, and a beer.
It's too high now. What? $3, $4 for a pack of cigarettes? That's too high. When they start going up, you're gonna have to start selling for $1 a cigarette.
They're going up.
They're going up. They're trying to tell you to stop smoking.
Exactly.
Well, I'm smoking since I was 13. Then they're gonna start smoking weed.
Ready?
Out here.
For this good picture. You ready for it?
That's what they're gonna be doing.
Here we go. What?
Somebody gotta have some kind of way to get nicotine off them. What, they gonna give you some medicine? I love to smoke cigarettes.
I do too. I've been smoking for a while.
I drink beer and smoke cigarettes. And that's what I be out in the park. I sit down, play cards, and I drink me a little beer now. This is better than my time. Don't tax
Too many people that smoke. Don't tax
the cigarettes.
There you go. Don't tax.
No, I mean there's tons of other things you can tax other than cigarettes. Drinking, just as bad. You know, they're not putting tax on alcohol. They're not putting tax on fast food, which is making us all fat, right? So.
How about an eco tax on large cars?
Yeah, large cars, because they suck up the environment.
Like they do in England, where the bigger the car you get, you pay about £1,000 for eco tax, the emissions and everything else is taxed.
I think it's insane. They tax us every time we stand up and turn around. It doesn't make any difference if it's cigarettes or gasoline or anything else. I think we need to look at going to the fair tax.